Have you ever wondered why so many men look alive on the outside, but empty on the inside? Why a man who handles pressure, deadlines, responsibilities, and crises can suddenly break over something tiny? Why the strongest men you know, the providers, the protectors, the leaders, sometimes feel like strangers to their own lives? Why can a man inspire everyone around him, yet feel completely unseen when he closes the door at night? And the biggest question of all, what happens on the day a man finally stops abandoning himself? Stay with me, because today, we're going deep, not into theories, not into cliches, but into the inner world of a man who wakes up. Most men do not collapse because of pain. They collapse because of silence. Not the silence around them, the silence inside them. A man learns early that emotions are optional, vulnerability is dangerous, and asking for help is a sign of failure. So he becomes the reliable one, the steady one, the man everyone counts on. He carries burdens nobody sees and hides wounds nobody treats. He becomes the son who doesn't complain, the partner who absorbs tension, the father who holds everything together, the friend who always says, "I'm good, bro. Don't worry." But in the process, he slowly disappears from his own life. A man's identity is rarely built by him. It's built for him. He grows up believing things like, be tough, be useful, be responsible, be the one who fixes everything, never be a burden. So he creates a persona instead of a self. This persona becomes his shield, his prison, eventually his downfall. Because you can't live your entire life giving, providing, sacrificing, and suppressing without realizing. You built a kingdom where everyone eats, except you. Every man has a crack-in-the-wall moment. Often, it's something quiet. A night sitting in his car a little longer, a moment where his chest tightens for no reason, a morning where getting out of bed feels heavier than usual, a conversation where he realizes he hasn't been heard in years. Or it's one of life-changing shocks: betrayal, divorce, losing a job, failing a business, health scare, or the death of a dream. And in that moment, something whispers, "I can't live like this anymore." This is the exact moment his old identity starts dying, and a new one is begging to be born. Contrary to cliche, a man does not wake up out of anger. He wakes up out of truth. He has neglected himself. He has postponed his dreams. He has lived for others' approval. He finally asks a question he has avoided for decades. What do I need? What do I want? Who am I without the roles I play? This is the turning point, the day his life splits into before and after. When a man chooses himself, something shifts in a way that cannot be undone. He becomes intentional instead of reactive, disciplined instead of chaotic, focused instead of scattered. He starts eating better, training his mind, strengthening his body, cutting noise, prioritizing rest, removing toxic people, simplifying his world, expanding his knowledge, choosing peace over approval, pursuing a mission, not validation. He's not becoming selfish. He's becoming sovereign. His energy changes. His posture rises. His eyes sharpen. His decisions become clean. His presence becomes heavier. People feel the shift. A man who invests in himself gives better love than a man who abandons himself. Because he is no longer pouring from an empty cup. He pours from strength, not exhaustion. From identity, not insecurity. When a man knows his worth, he becomes powerful. He can walk away from anything that lowers him. He can rebuild after any loss. He can lead without seeking permission. He can stand alone without breaking. He can love without losing himself. This is the kind of man who changes families, changes generations, changes the trajectory of his entire lineage. When a man wakes up, everything around him rises. His kids get a better father, his partner a better teammate, his work a better leader, his mind becomes clearer, his boundaries get stronger, his life becomes aligned, his future becomes intentional. So if you're a man listening right now, hear this clearly. Your life does not change when your circumstances change. It changes the day you change. It changes when you stop giving every part of yourself away and finally return home, to you. Your best chapter begins the moment you choose yourself. Lean into it, grow into it, rise into it, because the world shifts. The day you shift, soul,